Guess who's back? Back. All right, boys, we are back in Knoxville. Today, we're gonna be fishing at the same pond that we started this trip on because you gotta start the way you finish. But today, I'm gonna be using the Whopper Plopper and hopefully we can get some bites. That sounds amazing. I love this thing. So the plan is to walk around this pond, lake, whatever you want to call it, 3 times. And I'm going to be using 3 different lures each time. Did you get a bite? Noah's already getting bites. That's a good sign. We know there are big fish in here, so hopefully we can get some on camera. As always, I am using my 5'6" Bill Dance pole, medium light. And like I said, I'm going to be using my trout magnet. Codename Trout Magnet. It's a Whopper Plopper with a rainbow trout skin. I will be switching to a spinner here in a little bit. That's what Noah's using right now, and that's what's been killing it. Regardless, I will be using a spinner at some point, but I'm gonna switch that onto my 6'6", and then we're gonna try out the rat lure again if we don't get any bites and see if we can get one on that. No! What is that on? I can't see which limb it's on, dude. I can't lose that. I think I see it now. Awesome. Freaking possum. Awesome. Already hung. Teach a Man to Fish, episode 13, baby. 14, excuse me. You know, when I casted it, I was kind of nervous it was gonna be too high. Come hold this. I'm climbing up this tree. I don't know what else to do. I've got to get this thing back. It took me 5 minutes to do this. That's awesome. And she is hooked in there already. Let's climb a tree. Big. Some would even say huge gay. Okay, if I start falling, I'm going in the fucking water. I don't know what you're talking about. Sorry, trees. I know you need these limbs for life, but I gotta have this back. Oh, that's not supporting me. Think you could break this limb off? Did it come off? I don't see it. Is it on the line? Did it go in the water? Yes, I see it. Boys, let's fucking go. I climbed this tree for nothing. The things we do for fish. This tree limb is in my balls. Got it, boys. Alrighty, let's get this thing rigged back up now, I guess. Think about how much I've already done to make sure I haven't lost this lure. I mean, if I was a fish, I would hit this. I figured there'd be one in this corner, yeah. It is starting to drizzle as well. We're almost on the Great Wall of China over there. I'm Jamie Wade. I know, I want that 8-pounder that's in here to come up and say hello. As it was before, I do think that the wall and the backside are gonna be the best. Somehow I would hook the only piece of grass in the whole entire pond. You know, I'm kind of confused right now. I wouldn't expect a lot of people, well, first off, to be fishing this area. In fact, I don't think that there was a lot of fishing pressure on this area in the first place, but I'm throwing a Whopper Plopper, which is pretty unique, and I wouldn't expect a lot of fish to even know what that is. And as many reaction strikes as I got yesterday, I mean, I caught that fish in the first 5 minutes of putting this thing on. Oh, now we got a little bit of sun coming out. This is the place where Noah caught his monster, so I'm gonna sit here for just a little bit and cast against this wall that's a little bit here to my right. See if we can get something. Come on, you monster, come up and nab on it, dude. I want this monster to come up and nab on it. If we don't catch any fish here, we will be going to a lake that's a little bit closer to my house, so we can try to catch something there, but I'm still pretty optimistic about this spot. I mean, it just rained, so there's a little bit more oxygen in the water. All these storm drains should be the place where the fish are at because all that new stuff's coming through the actual drains themselves, dumping it into the water, so hopefully we can get some right here. We'll give her one good heave from the pavilion here. So I think we're gonna throw the spinners next, and then after that, I might throw the rat lure. Probably not, because I'm not even getting any action on my Whopper Plopper. I think it's all gonna come down to matching the hatch here. So we're gonna be throwing those spinners, and they're gonna think they're bait fish, obviously. I mean, that's what Noah got all those fish on last time, so we'll see how it works. All right, we are back. We got a spinner on. It's got 2 golden blades on it, and we're using a bandito bug. Shout out John B and the rest of the Guggen squad, but mostly John B, right? So now using my 6'6" Bill Dance pole, and we're gonna see if we can get any bites. This thing looks amazing. It is getting hotter, which is not a good sign. So I think what the plan is gonna be is we're gonna work our way around this lake for the last time, and then we will bid this place adieu until I'm back in Knoxville. This is the one reason I hate spinners. What is it doing? If I was a goose, that would be me. Just like that, look at him. He's walking on his toes. What's going on right now? I'm gonna go walk over here and say hi to him. Look at him, dude, he's fighting him. Look at him. You gotta make yourself as big as possible. What's up, guys? Hey, what's going on, guys? Your boy Chosen Mighty here, and today I'm bringing you another creek fishing video. Look at him, look at him. What are you doing, dude? Well, guys, we are back in the home sweet home of the 276, back in my little hometown pond, using the Whopper right now. Guess what I got? Weeds. That's not good. That's going right over those weeds. The Whopper freaking Plopper, dude. It absolutely kills everywhere, except for that pond where we caught huge fish. Usually there's a bass that sits right on these rocks. Like I was legit standing right here and I caught a bass. There's a decent little bass right here in front of me. Let's see if I can get him to come. That's a good bass. I just had one come to my Whopper, dude. This is huge. If I can get this guy to bite, he is big. That got my heart pumping a little bit. I was so excited to see him. Oh, just had one come up to it. You know you want this little bass. Keep getting those bass interested and then they don't come up and hit it. Well, that's what happened last time. They looked at it for like 2 seconds and then they decided to go for it. Right here, there's two. That's a little small one. Oh, there's a decent one right there. There's like 2 or 3. He's going up the bank a little bit. I want to pull that across him. Oh, did he move? Yeah, he did. He's right here. The water clarity is not amazing right now. It's not terrible, but it's not as good as it usually is. I'd say it's probably about 4, maybe 5 feet of clarity. With this water being stained, I think this should do pretty good. Well, we know there are some monsters. All right, so my plan is to cast around the trees down in the water over there, and hopefully there's a monster sitting next to him. I mean, if I was a fish, that's where I would be sitting. I would love to not get caught on something in the water. That'd be awesome. If I didn't get hung up on fucking weeds every 2 seconds. This little plant right here, that's all it takes to mess it up. You literally cannot dodge these. There is no way around it in this little pond. You know how much hatred I have? Oh, I hate this place. I guarantee I have weeds on this thing. This is all it took for it to fuck up the motion. Action gets ruined every time I get on one of these little tiny things. It's stupid. I hate fishing here. It hit me in the arm. Go pick it up, pick it up, pick it up, pick it up. Go lip him, lip him, lip him. What a fish. That is good. Oh, what a fish. Clean that puppy off. That's a good one. I'll go get my scale, dude. Noah catches the first fish of the day. Take that hook out of his mouth. You're gonna have to lip him, dude. Here, I'll do it for you. Good fish, dude.
1.6. There we go.
That's a glare. 1.6, boys. Noah catches the first fish of the day. Lay it on me, dude. That was a good one.
Yeah.
Solid.
This is bigger than the one I had earlier, but.
Nice little largie out of this lake.
Will you take a picture of me?
Yeah, dude, for sure. Nice, dude. Solid. Look at that.
Oh, yeah.
That's a good one. Can I hold him for a second?
Yeah, here, go for it.
Not a bad fish. Not a bad fish at all. Look at the mouth on that guy. He's pretty good. That's almost the size. I'd say a little bit smaller than a baseball. That's a good fish. Do you care if I release him, dude? Or do you want to do it?
No, you got it.
All right, dude. What a fish. That's a good one, dude. Especially for this lake. Alrighty. I know he's not going to be happy, so he's going to splash the camera 100%. It's happening. Oh, what a pretty fish. Atta boy. Let's go. First fish of the day. Not too shabby. I got weeds on me. This is worse than spinners. I fucking hate weeds. They ruin everything. No, that was me. I had weeds on it. You'll know when I get a hit. Like when they bite this, it's so much fun. Plus smallmouth will nail this thing. No way. That was as soon as it hit the water. My drag's a little bit low. What a fish. Yeah, I should. Yep, I had to look. There's 2. No way do I have 2. I have 2 fish. What? I caught 2 fish. 2.
Oh my God, here, hold on.
Dude.
You got 2. Here, I got the 12. I got 12.
Oh, dude, one of them came off.
He literally had both of them hooked.
I had 2 fish on. Holy shit, I'm dying right now. That was insane. Come here, big guy. Do not thrash. I know you're not gonna like it. Little needle teeth. What a fish. Pretty fish, too. I think what happened was I probably landed it right next to one, and the other one saw the motion of it and thought it came out of his mouth. Oh, look how small his mouth is. I mean, he's a little tiny one. I'd say he's probably gonna be a little bit over a pound. He's about to shake again. There we go. Did you zero it? Yep. No. Oh, that's not right. Not bad. 1.3. Oh, 1.3. Not too bad. Not shabby. I mean, I caught 2 of them, so we're gonna count that as a 2-pounder. Is that okay with everyone? Is that good with me? Okay, that's good with me. That was so sick. I really hope the GoPro picked that up because that was insane. I really did have 2 fish on. I know that they came off. If these weeds weren't here in front of us, 100% would have pulled in 2 fish. And look, it brought me a nice 1-pounder. This is my first fish of the day. We've been fishing pretty much all day. Well, besides driving, of course. But let's go ahead. Oh, do you take a picture of me, buddy? The Whopper Plopper does it again, boys. Title of the video, I catch 2 fish on 1 cast. Double Whopper Plopper. Sick. All right, boys. We're gonna get a release video of this guy. And there he goes. Wow, that was awesome. Well, I'd casted there a few times, didn't get anything. So maybe he just saw it that time. He's like, oh yeah, boom. Well, it's really shallow over there, is the only thing. No way. That's 2, baby. Yep. Oh my God. Oh man, I am dying. That was so sick. Let's get, no, don't go over there, buddy. Don't go over there. That was literally 2 casts after.
He's strong.
He's a good one. Come here, big guy. Yeah, if you'll grab the pole for me, I'm gonna pull him up over this. That one's a little better. Oh yeah, that's a little toe, boys. Look at that. Do not shake or we are both getting hurt here. Oh yeah, that's a little chunkier. Look at that guy. He's got some girth to him. Now that is what I like to call fishing, baby. All right, let's get a weigh on this guy. Wow, I can't believe that. All right, well, we haven't weighed it yet because what a fish.
I'm inadequate.
I'd say he's gonna be 1.8. What did I say?
1.9.
He is 1. Oh, that's okay, buddy. That's okay, calm down. Get a look at that. 1.9, not too shabby. He's a toad. That is a toad, baby.
New leader of the day.
I have taken the lead, boys. All right, if you'll take another picture of me. What a fish. Here, right here's the thumbnail, probably. What a day of fishing. What a day of fishing, man. Been driving all day. Didn't catch anything at the God Pond, but came back here. Take a look at this, buddy.
Did you get a mouth view?
Huh?
Did you get a mouth view?
Oh, yes. Look at that, boys. All right, we're going to let this guy in.
We talked about for 3 days, and then we went and got one. We didn't catch anything for 3 days, and then we got one, and he starts blowing it up. Yeah, I hope that one
And there he goes.
MTB box.
Oh, he's just slowly swimming off. Wow, that's amazing. Well, boys, that's all I've got for you today. We caught a few fish. Noah caught some fish. But that is it for today's fishing mission. I want to thank you guys for coming out, but it's time to go home and see Izzy. Hey, guys. Hey. No. No jumping. No. 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 Get down. Thank you. Good boys. You smell the fish? You smell the fish? You like that? Izzy! 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 Hey! What are you doing, sweetheart? Come here, yes. You wanna go fishing? Huh? You wanna go fishing?